History and culture, synagogues through time, gatherings and songs. Long ago, in a far-off land, lived a small but vibrant Jewish community. They called their city Yaroslavl, nestled on the banks of the mighty Volga River. Every week, they gathered at the Grand Synagogue to celebrate Shabbat and sing beautiful songs together. On this particular Friday, young Sarah stood outside the synagogue, clutching her mother's hand and gazing up at the beautiful building. She couldn't wait to join her friends for the Shabbat service. Sarah entered the synagogue and found her seat next to her best friend, David. The room was filled with the sweet aroma of candles and prayers. Rabbi Moshe stood at the front, ready to lead the service. As Rabbi Moshe began to sing the traditional Shabbat hymns, Sarah felt a wave of joy wash over her. She joined her friends in the lively songs, clapping and dancing along with them. Then it was time for the reading of the Torah. The rabbi opened the scroll and began to chant the words aloud. Sarah listened carefully, trying to follow along as best she could. After the service, everyone gathered around a long table for the Shabbat meal. They laughed and chatted as they shared stories and sang songs together. The food was delicious, and Sarah was happy to be part of such a warm and welcoming community. As the service came to an end, and it was time to say goodbye, Sarah gave her friends hugs and wished them all a peaceful Shabbat. She couldn't wait to come back again next week for more songs, stories, and laughter with her friends. As Sarah walked home with her mother, she looked back at the beautiful synagogue one last time. She felt a deep sense of gratitude for the love and community she had found there. The next day, Sarah and her family went to the market to buy fresh produce for dinner. They ran into many friends from the synagogue along the way, greeting each other warmly. As they walked home, the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the city. Sarah couldn't help but feel grateful for the amazing community she had found in Yaroslavl. That evening, Sarah and her family gathered with their friends by the river for a bonfire. They sat together, sharing stories and singing songs long into the night. The flames danced and flickered as they listened to the rabbi tell tales of old Yaroslavl. Sarah learned so much from her time at the synagogue, about her faith, her community, and herself. She realized that there was something truly special about the love and unity found within the Jewish people, no matter where they live.